Welcome to Dylan and with Dylan. Welcome to with Dylan. And today we're going to make a squishy dinosaur.
What are we gonna make?
A squishy white dinosaur.
We're gonna make dinosaur night slime.
Dinosaur night slime.
Yes. So we have glow in the dark glue, and we have the color changing glue. And then
As sparkly as sprinkles.
yes, and we have the magical liquid. Magical liquid and confetti. We have confetti, guys. Okay. So 4-piece kit set. So Dylan, everything is washable, safe, and non-toxic. We like that. So let's say the ingredients, guys, is right here on the box. Now, we've never made slime before, have we, Dylan? No, we've never made slime before. We bought slime, but we've never made slime before. So you guys are going to be learning along with us if you've never made this either. So, okay, so we need ingredients is 1 Elmer's magical liquid. You will not need the entire bottle, good. You need 1 of the glow in the dark glue container for the mixing and mixing utensil and a measuring spoons. So, okay, cool. We got the measuring spoons. Okay. So, do we have to use the whole thing? Okay, so I guess we have to use the whole thing. Okay, so we're going to do this one. We're going to do this one first. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do the glow in the dark one first. And guys, we're going to see if it glows in the dark. For real, for real. All right, Dylan. So we are going to pour this into there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Wow. Pour the whole thing in there. Now guys, they had this in here and they said pour this whole container out, but it's so hard to get the container out. Oh, there we go. Squeeze it really, really hard.
Wait, you gotta mix it up.
I know, I gotta get this out first. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna use a hair dryer to see if I can get, because it's like half of a container still in here. And it's not really easy to get out. So I'm gonna see if a hair dryer will help loosen this out to get it. And I'm not gonna do it on full blast. I'm only gonna do it for a few minutes just to get most of this out. Be right back.
Okay, and use measure and use.
So,
measure.
yeah, so we have to measure. So we need 2 teaspoons of the magic liquid and mix it well. Okay. So, all right, guys. So we need 1 teaspoon. No, I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons. So we need 2 teaspoons. Can you open it? You got it? Oh, it's got a safety seal on here.
So, you go there. Okay.
mix it up. And we're gonna do it again. Go ahead and mix it up really, really good. You gotta mix it up really, really, really well until it gets hard. And then, okay, so let's do it. Let's put some more. And a little bit of the confetti. It's a lot. Okay, you don't want to put too much, okay? Stir it, 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 stir it. There you go. And then mommy's gonna help you stir it a little bit too. A little bit, because we gotta stir it up really, 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 really good. Woo! You guys see that? Ooh. So we gotta stir it up, I guess, for a while. And it says, whew, I don't know. It's still sticky.
Look at it, this is why.
Now, I wonder if it glows in the dark, guys. All right, guys, so we are in the bathroom and we're going to see, right, Dylan? We're going to see if it glows. So, you ready for me to turn the light off?
Yes.
All right, let's turn the light off and see if it glows. It's glowing. You can see it. It's glowing. Oh my goodness. Wow. It is glowing. Whoa. Whoa.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.